Today we're gonna find out if my modified high output 6.7 liter Super Duty is more powerful than my brother Cleetus's Dodge Charger EV. Just this morning, he put his Charger on this dyno and it made 686 horsepower and 1,017 foot-pounds of torque.
Holy crap. Oh my God! 686?
This truck hopefully should beat those torque numbers. Now this thing does have some work to it, so let's go over that. So I bought this truck brand new just 2 months ago, and Cleet shot it with his full auto MP5. As you can see, the bedside is absolutely smoked on this thing, but we've got plans on that to come. It does have 37-inch Nitto Recon grapplers because Cleetus also spike stripped this truck. With those two modifications out of the way, let's talk about what's under the hood on this thing. So under the hood, we have a larger turbo. This is a Titan 62-63 millimeter turbo. We have our FAS intake piping kit. We have a PointBblank coolant reroute as well as crankcase ventilation kit. And then we have the S&S fueled DCR conversion fuel pump as well as their leak prevention kit. This truck is tuned by ASAP. We're gonna run it with two different dyno sets. The first one being a baseline, since it does have some weight reduction mid-body through the exhaust, which I can't talk about. We're gonna run a 0 horsepower tune, so it should make around 500 horsepower, around 1050 torque. That's what these high outputs make for stock, even with these 37-inch tires. Then we're gonna flash on a 185 horsepower tune by ASAP to see what kind of numbers this thing will put out with a little hyped up performance on it. Recently, Dark Iron Diesel did a video where he took a high output diesel just like this that was bone stock with 37-inch tires. It made 444 horsepower and 928 foot-pounds of torque.
I just dynoed a bone stock high output power stroke and the results are interesting.
444 horsepower and 928 foot-pounds of torque.
That's to the wheels, and this truck has 37-inch tires on it.
Since we've got 37s, we think those are really comparable numbers. We never got a baseline dyno on this truck before doing some modifications. So this should be really fun. Let's get this thing strapped down to the dyno, get that exhaust tip off, see what kind of power she can make. Number one goal today is to beat Cleet's Dodge Charger. What do you think it's gonna make?
500 maybe?
With the stock tune on it, but it's got a bigger turbo, so it should make more than that Dark Iron Diesel video. So I'm thinking like, yeah, probably like high fours, don't you think, for horsepower?
Probably.
Maybe close to 1,000 for torque?
Yeah.
But then when we give her the hyped up tune, I'm thinking what, like 650?
Yeah, maybe 700.
And 1,300 for torque?
Yeah.
1,300 for torque is crazy on a pickup truck.
Pretty wild.
We're gonna run the truck in 7th gear. That's the closest 1-to-1 ratio. This also does have a 355 rear gear. Dude, I just wanna beat that electric car. That's all I really care about. All right, let's find out.
I came in quiet, no big parade. The smile was a trap, I still got play. Snow on my coat, mud on my shoe. I kept my face still, but I knew. Count up the
30,
count up the cars. You left
60,
me on the back of the wall. I kept it close. Now I'm the one.
quarter mile,
Can't hold pressure.
Sucker's on there good.
Yeah, she needs a little
Hawk Tua.
hot tool on that time. Here she comes. A little persuasion. Now that's some craftsmanship right there. It's now available at FAS Motorsports website. You can get your 5-inch to 6-inch elbow tip.
Friends all talk like they know my flaws, but they never saw what I paid in full. I learned that pain can dress like gold, look pretty for a minute, then it gets old. I had 2 phones, both running hot. One kept the truth, one kept the plot. Now I don't chase, I don't explain. I let the silence do all the saying. I can feel it climb.
So first up, we have the ASAP 0 horsepower with no emissions. This tune is for off-road use only because we don't have the emissions hooked up on this truck. After we get this baseline number, we're gonna bump it up to the 185 horsepower tune once we get our baselines. So let's jump in this thing and see what kind of power it makes. Bone stock.
Something doesn't seem right.
Power, 770 for torque.
We've seen this with another diesel guy. His same stock tune didn't let it rev out nicely. Yeah, it like something is keeping it from probably.
Well, let me flash on different tune. Trying a different 0 horsepower tune for the high output to see if it'll let us rev out. Basically, it's holding us up at 2,500 RPM. Not letting it rev out all the way, so we're gonna flash something different in here that ASAP has for a high output, and we'll see how it goes. But we can't get it to rev out. It probably has something to do with the VGTs and the EGR and the DCR and all the acronyms I know nothing about. So we're just gonna go straight to the hot boy tune. It's the ASAP 2.6 180 horsepower smoky hiss Titan turbo tune.
That sounds like alphabet soup. I mean, it's still making lots of torque, not as much as you want, but
It's almost making it like a non-high output numbers, you know what I mean?
like I said, it just feels like it doesn't have boost. Or it's diverting the boost. As your brother put it this morning, it's about how fast the tire spins the roller, which is very true. And it's just sitting there 61, 62 mile an hour, 63. It's just real slow, so.
All right, we're at 0% installing. Dude, it's crazy you can do this from a cell phone now and you don't need a computer.
You're getting rid of all the tuners and stuff, man.
I know they are going after
I
it.
don't know
But,
how these
I
guys
mean,
are doing it, but
Well, this is off-road use only. So we're off-road right now. We're technically
100%
on private property.
private property, sitting on a roller,
So we're good.
not the road.
If we were on the road, this would be illegal.
Absolutely, yeah, don't do that.
We would never do that.
100%.
That sounded a little healthier. What do you think about that, boy?
That looks pretty good.
Woo! Did I just say 673 for power?
573.
Was it 573?
Yeah.
573 for power, 1225 for torque. Damn.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Did you hear it hitting the limiter out
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
That's sick. So are we saying that Cleetus Dodge Charger makes more horsepower than my high output diesel?
Well,
We definitely out-torqued him.
You out-torqued him, high output torque.
But dang, I mean, for a truck you just slap a turbo on and do a little weight reduction and some intake piping, I think we're sitting pretty healthy.
And a off-road only tune.
Yeah, the off-road tune, obviously we're gonna reflash that right now. Dude, look at this outside the truck.
I heard it for a second. I was like, okay, because I was waiting for 4,000.
my gosh.
Are you gonna put your face in front of it for the clip?
You promised me a seafood boil. I'll do
I
it.
promise you the seafood boil.
I think I gotta try it. I mean,
You gotta do it.
it can't harm me. I mean,
No, it's literally naturally, it's organic material.
Yeah, it's good for the
literally
body.
just carbon.
it'll clear the sinuses right out.
And technically, if you get injured, it's workers' comp because you're working right now.
That's true.
You can claim
I
an
should just
injury.
probably open my mouth then when it comes out.
Dude, if you go like this during it, free dental cleaning as well.
Okay.
Dude, listen to that turbo scream. You gotta, here, get a little more in there. Like straight into it. Like square up with it. You gotta hold it for a good second or two. Is it hot?
Will you let me know when it's good?
Now.
Anything on my face?
No, you're good, dude.
Is my face good?
Yeah, you're good.
Holy. That actually wasn't too bad.
Dude, you look like you just got out of the coal mine.
Jesus.
Looks like you just got done polishing some aluminum.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's really not
The
that
wrinkle
bad.
marks are crazy. Hey, you good? Oh, looks good. You got the raccoon eyes going. Just for science purposes, we're doing one more dyno pull with a different tuner whose name I won't disclose to see if it makes more power or less. This is a switch on the fly tune, so it's turned all the way up. That's all I'm gonna say. Wait, what did it say?
553.
What was the last one? 560.
A little less.
Yeah. That's what we expected. Can we do one more? Alright. Before we do this next one, I have a little hunch that power settings 1 and 5 are the same tune, so we're gonna find that out. And the last one is on 5. I just switched it to 1. We're trying to see whether we should use this tuner or not. Alright, I'll leave it at that. So it should be like a 0 horsepower all the way up to like 150 horsepower tunes, and they're making the same as I thought. So switch on the fly doesn't work.
That first tune made more power and everything overall.
Yeah,
Made
literally.
it way faster.
The power came in faster on the first tune from ASAP and stayed higher than everything else
Yeah, it made a lot more
all the way through.
low end, yeah. I mean, they all fall off at the end, but
Well, now you know if you want a solid tune that doesn't. I know the video makes it smoke a lot, but in reality, when we are off-road using this tune off-road elsewhere, it really doesn't smoke that much. It's a pretty clean tune for whatever reason. When
comparative to
we're
other ones I've seen,
compared to other ones I've seen, and we were loading the dyno a little bit.
100%.
Yeah, so when you're just driving this truck normally off-road, it really doesn't roll at all. It's a very clean tune. Well, guys, that wraps it up for the diesel on the dyno video. We didn't make more power than Cleet, but we definitely made more torque. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.
I focus where the lens is, custom made for me the metric. Show you fit right in the schedule, and girl, you fit like Lululemon, and yeah, I'm lost for words. Tell me who's running first, no mistakes.